Okay, so we're near Bombay Beach, Salton Sea, and last time we were here, we took in the gas station and documented that. But this time, we are in the restaurant slash bar that's next to the gas station that we weren't able to get into last time. And we met a really nice gentleman, and he kind of told us what to look out for and what to avoid. That's his dog right there, one of his dogs. So it looks like this place is pretty gutted. Almost looks like somebody wanted to renovate this once before.
It wasn't that long ago that it was,
He says something here.
here.
Whale bomb. Hi. Okay. So this is the upstairs area. Oh wait, this wraps around to where we started. And this is the entry that we came through. If you don't want to be filmed, man, I won't film you. Because it goes on the internet, so. Okay. And then this is the stairway. Okay, watch these stairs.
Oh, you gonna go up?
Yeah. There's cobwebs everywhere here. It feels pretty solid. Okay, we're going up. There's the Salton Sea.
Oh yeah, that's right. I did see the blue.
There's a little community here, or outcrop of people living here still. Oh, look it. Looks like solar devices on the fence right there. See the solar?
That's what it was.
This is the upstairs. Wow, it's really gutted too.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's a cute view.
Okay, be very cautious around here. Because I can't tell what's solid and what's not. See how that's starting to go through?
Yeah, I'm okay like right here.
Okay. So, right there, the floor is starting to cave in, so careful. The rest of the floor looks okay. Wow. She's sitting in the sun fighting the insects.
Hi.
And here's the sea. Oh yes. It's probably a good idea. This floor was kind of sketchy.
It's okay. Good girl.
Oh yeah. So we're done with our exploration. Hey, we're done with our exploration.